more shit he can play. Yeah. It's alright, 2012 aliens are gonna come down and show us the new play.
Nah, fuck that, it's gonna be zombies. No, and maybe you'll notice the finale when it's all just red, white, and blue fireworks.
Yeah, well that middle, that was a really good spot, you know? Hopefully it goes on for 20, 30 minutes. It's a good one.
Shit. I know New York goes for 27 minutes. I don't know what that means for Tampa.
But it is Tampa. This is supposed to be a big one, dude. We're getting cheesy here. What the hell?
Not quite as good as Orlando, I'm sure. I wish we were at Disneyland right now, or Busch Gardens.
Yeah, they do nice ones. They do nice ones. Oh, we are getting really close as we walk towards them.
Yeah, right.
Then we just keep... Wow, can you hear that echoing off the city?
Yeah, I heard it walking on out the windows a few blocks back. Like you could hear it like rumble the windows. Oh, a double blow like that. That was cool. Oh shit, yeah. Oh dude, the finale's gonna come, man. Leave it going. You can make like, what, 10-minute videos?
Yeah, I can make like an hour. I got like 7 hours of video.
Shit, that's pretty, some of them are pretty cool looking.
Yeah.
I like how China, they have them so they fucking, you know, make shapes and shit out of theirs.
Right.